Hey family, guess what? Just guess something. I am happy to announce to you all that I am finally back. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. I saw you all commenting on my videos when I've been offline. Thank you so much, everyone who have been watching my video. I just want to say that I'm so sorry for keeping you all waiting, for not uploading videos, for not uploading shots for you guys, for not doing anything, for not going live, for not posting on my community tab. I am so sorry, and this time I am going nowhere. I am going nowhere. I'm gonna resume on Monday. I will start posting content on Monday for you guys to watch. I will shoot a lot of videos for you all. I'll shoot a videos for you all like you can make money on. You can laugh, you can dance, you can entertain my guys and everything. I have shot a lot of videos for you all. I have done a lot and I can't just wait for me to post it on Monday, as I'll be resuming on Monday. Yeah, I know I said 1 week or 2 weeks. I know I said 1 week or 2 weeks, but I didn't use up to 1 week or up to 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm finally back. Yeah, I'm finally back. I did not even use up to 1 week or 2 weeks, and yeah, I go. I am back for you guys. What you guys see. I see your comments, I see your shares, I see your likes, and yeah, I am here to stay. I am not here to go. So thank you so much for your love and support. I just want to say that I am finally back. I am finally back, and I can't just wait for start to post my videos on Monday. I see you all on Monday. Good night. God bless. Bye.